going to have a look at a thoracic mobilization using a peanut. So you could wrap up a couple tennis balls in some tape, or you can actually purchase kind of a hard rubbery peanut ball that'll do this for you. So basically what we want to do is just kind of take that, we want to put that in the space here just underneath the shoulder blades to begin. And as you lie down, it's kind of bracketing the spine, and so it's just kind of pressing in against the vertebrae and where they attach in against the ribs on either side of the spine. As we're lying down, you just want to kind of try to relax and breathe deeply. If you find that this is really a bit hard to handle, you can put something underneath your head, so a pillow or a couple of books that will lift you up a little bit and that'll take a little bit of pressure off, or something underneath your hips and that will take a little bit of pressure off from below. So as you're lying here, basically what we want to feel is a sense of stiffness, and so we don't want it to be like a sharp pain or the type of pain that would make you feel like you have to brace or kind of guard or tense up, or that you can't get through that full breath cycle. Okay, and so as we work along, we want to do about 10 breaths or so in a given spot, and then as we release some tension there, we can move up about an inch at a time, just continuing to kind of take those really big deep breaths and allow yourself to kind of sink in. Often what we're really looking for here is spots that just feel stiff and wooden. So many people instead would go for the spot that feels the most painful or the most intense. We're looking for something that just feels really stiff, but accepting of the pressure of the ball. And that's often where you need to develop some of your mobility. And the body is kind of trying to signal you like, yes, I like this, right? So it's going to allow you to relax deeply and just feel that heavy pressure of the ball pressing up into your back. Sometimes we can also do some movement with the arms, so you can go overhead, a little bit of a snow angel kind of movement. If you feel some resistance, you can take some time there. Take a couple of those deep breaths and try to sink deeper into the position. Okay, so in doing that, we'll just kind of continue working our way up, and really anywhere in the back here is fair game as long as you're kind of sticking to those principles we talked about. So wanting it to feel more like kind of stiff, wooden, accepting the pressure, dull, achy, as opposed to sharp, uncomfortable, and making you kind of tense up or guard, making it hard for you to get through that full breath cycle. Okay, so that's what we want to do for our extension mobilization with the peanut for your back. All right, hope it helps.